It's affordable and it's powerful. It's the ASUS ROG Strix G16 with the RTX 5060 and the Intel Core i7-14650HX. Now, is this a laptop that's worth your money? We're about to find that out, but before we dive into whether it deserves your cash, let's break down the performance you can actually expect from this machine. We'll start with a fairly easy competitive title, Valorant. At the native resolution of 1920 by 1200 and high settings, the laptop pushes an average FPS well over 300. That's incredibly high and absolutely fantastic for competitive play. Next up is GTA 5 Enhanced, cranked all the way to the highest settings with DLSS set to DLAA. The Strix G16 delivers an average FPS of around 100, more than enough for a smooth single-player experience. And of course, we had to test Cyberpunk 2077. At the native resolution on ultra settings with ray tracing, DLSS, and frame generation all turned off, we averaged in the mid-70s. For a demanding single-player game like Cyberpunk, that's a solid result. So after all that, are you actually getting the performance you're paying for? In my opinion, absolutely. Thanks to Black Friday pricing, this laptop was going for around $1,199, which is a fantastic deal. You're getting the RTX 5060 with a maximum TGP of 115 watts. Already impressive, and the i7-14650HX, a genuinely powerful CPU, especially in a $1,200 machine. It also includes 16GB of DDR5 RAM, which is upgradable, and a 1TB SSD, also upgradable. 16GB of RAM is enough for gaming, but heavy multitaskers might find it a bit tight. If you're the type to keep dozens of tabs open, upgrading is a smart move. As for storage, 1TB is plenty for a handful of games, but let's be real, storage always runs out eventually. You'll probably want more down the line, and adding another SSD is quick and easy. The display maxes out at 1920 by 1200 with a refresh rate of 165Hz. That's great for gaming, but in titles like Valorant or Counter-Strike 2, where hitting 200 FPS or more is simple, you won't see past 165Hz. Still, it's more than enough for competitive play, and if you need even faster refresh rates, an external monitor solves the problem instantly. As for ports, you get an Ethernet port, HDMI 2.1, 3 Type-A USBs, and 2 USB-C ports. Also, of course, you get a 3.5mm audio jack. Design-wise, it's sleek, but there's no denying the heavy gamer aesthetic, especially with the RGB lighting. It looks cool, but it doesn't add any real performance benefits. The Black Friday price was $1,200, but the usual cost lands around $1,400 to $1,500. At $1,200, it's a no-brainer. At $1,500, it's still a strong value, a genuine steal for what you're getting. If you're interested, you may check out the link in the description box below, or simply you can just scan this QR code to check it out on Amazon right now. This has been Marty, and I'll be seeing you on the next video. Cheers!